Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about Infinix Hot 10. So on the right spine you can see volume rocker and power button. On the left spine SIM tray, up top very neat and clean, and here you can see 3.5mm jack, micro USB port and speaker grill. At the back the phone has triple camera setup, fingerprint sensor and Infinix branding. On the front you get 6.78-inch display which has 264 ppi and also 82.34 screen to body ratio. For smooth performance you get MediaTek Helio G70 processor which works on 12nm fabrication, and for your multitasking you get 4GB or 6GB of RAM. For your media storage you have 64 or 128GB of storage. Also for camera you have 16, 2 and 2. The 2 megapixel is the depth sensor and another 2 megapixel is the macro sensor. On the front you get 8 megapixel front camera, and for your battery you have 5200 mAh of battery, and on software front you get Android 10. That's it about the Infinix Hot 10. Thanks for watching.